I'm not late. I'm not late. I'm never late. That was the fastest ping ever. Make sure chat is out. I think it's fine. Can you see this? Let's see. Oh, you can. Okay. 5 minutes? It took me that long? I'm trying to find a song. Wow. That's longer than I thought. Dang. Oops. There's like no copyright-free music, that's why. Okay, bro. Yeah, not exactly. I'm not like that yet. Or ever. True. So true. A leak? Isn't it what the... No. No, it is. I'm bugging. Never mind. Nine? What are you talking about, 9? There isn't one, I have to make one. And I probably do. I want it to be like a square with rounded corners with a check mark in the middle. I just don't think that's gonna be here. No. I gotta make it real quick then. Hold on. I'll open paint.net. I can't even show paint.net too, which sucks. 610? What are you talking about? Image size 1K. I forgot how to make rounded squares. I think I have a tool though. It's like rounded. Yeah, I do. Oh, I can't change the corner size. Nice. Okay, do that. Do white. I gotta get a mask real quick. I try to DC. Maybe after. Why are we just saying numbers, by the way? Just numbers. Okay, transparent. Okay, I found the perfect one. Hidden message. I have two icons. But they'll be like this. Okay, yeah, hold on. Hello, I am not Unk. Don't call me that. I have to draw this icon real quick. I'm almost done though, so don't really worry about it. X icon. It's not transparent. Epstein circles. I love that level. Okay, I think I got it. Yeah. So now I just have to make two masks real quick. Done. I just gotta import the icons now. RNG images. Check. True. Save as. Check false. Okay, now I can import them on Studio. I only took a little bit. Luckily, it didn't take that long. True. I haven't really made UI like this in a bit, so I kind of have to figure out how I did it. I'll call this part bonuses part. I think this UI is somewhere else, like there it is. Level lookup. I'm gonna copy this real quick. And then the Adorny goes to... Why can't I select it? There we go. Yeah, well. I'll do that this stream. It won't take that long. Honestly, this doesn't even need it. This doesn't even need this. I'm just gonna make it from scratch. So size, we'll do like point. That's way too small. You can't afford it? It's fine. You don't have to do that. Right now, this is you can toggle score bonuses, so it adds a score to this to just sample it. I did not mean to add an audio listener. Obviously, trying to add a list. Why did it do that? Hey, why is the... If it's anchored... Oh. Alignment, set to left, set to middle. The padding... No way, Vasily. Okay. also gonna make this a smaller frame because I don't like it touching that. So I'll have inner frame. Put this in the inner frame. Inner frame is max size. Membership giveaway. Oh, let's see what we got to it. I kind of forgot. Yo, holy, let's go. Notable people got it. That's tough. You guys scammed H player. Why is it not? Oh. I know, rip. Bro didn't get it. So basically for the top and bottom, I just want to have like a slight divot. Like that much. And I can copy this. I have different music playing in the background, so it's kind of loud. Transparency 0.75. Yeah, you keep winning it, I'm telling you, bro. You always win it. It seems, oh, because the background, right? I'll make it a different color then. Okay. That's good, that's good, that's good. I'll call it... It's bonus 1. Text overlay. I know it's going to be anchored in the middle, so that it's going to be on the right, so that's 1. And then we do all this to the right. The middle. Size, we'll do like full for now. Change that to half. And actually, it's going to be most of the size, so we'll just do like 7 or 8. Transparency 1. Oh. I don't think I can, but I'll try. I'm gonna see what the max inventory space can be without it being dangerous. Because I might be able to do like way more. I don't know yet. I don't think I can do a ton. The last time I had the uncapped inventory, people's data was getting corrupted and it was pretty bad. What's the first thing in the shop? So I also want to add where it says the bonus score from it. Not just what it is, but like, you know. And I can do that pretty easily. All I gotta do is just anchor this to the top. That's not the top. Top here. This. Do half the size. Actually, we'll do like... That's not enough room. That's enough room. We do... That's 35. That's some math for you. Position, let's do the opposite, so here and that. They can say the text will be like, I actually don't even know what it is. What is the extra score bonus chance one? I don't remember. I literally don't know. Chance 1 is 5. Data corruption was so scary. I hated that. It was my least favorite thing. Okay, now this is like... It's not confined enough. To scale it easier, I'll put it in another frame. Bonus name, we'll say score amount. This needs to be transparent. The size should be basically what this is. So that's, I'll just copy that actually. Okay. Why is it so blurry? It has to be rich, is that why? No. You can read that. But why is it so blurry? I have no idea. Hello, Fong. Where's the UI outline? I mean, that makes it a little bit more readable. That one, not really. That's not what I meant to do. No? That's funny. So then right here will be the check mark. I'll just call this image button a toggle. Zero, 0, 5, 5, size 1. We'll do like that, and then aspect ratio. I can push it forward a little bit. That's too much. Slightly more. It's broken? That's so random. Why is it so red? Okay, no, we're not doing it like that. Looked better as white. I don't like the white that much either. Just to see what side is going on. Okay. I didn't know that. That's weird. Not gonna do gradient correctly now. I wonder if the corner goes around the actual image. Probably not, though. The stroke, I mean. Yeah, no. I can't always do this, though. And I will. Okay, so why was that misaligned? I have no idea why, but that's oh, that's the corner. What if I had a stroke? It has these weird lines. I gotta use middle, center. I did not play the level. I don't think I ever got it. Change the rarities? No. I don't have access to that. Yeah, having it as like a lime is good looking. Uh, I mean, I can bloat it up, but it'll be lying, you know? I can't change the downloads, like, I guess technically I can, but I had to hard code that. I just would never hard code it. I don't have access to the database. Okay, I can... You might have to remind me later, I might forget. I'm trying to think. I don't know how this thing gets a score system. I'm just thinking how the best way to do it. I think I got it though. Sometimes you just gotta sit and think. So where's the search? No, 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 no. Is there no search code? Like, where's the search thing? Okay. Well, that's not ideal. It should not be just like unsorted. It should be in events. I'll do that later then. Toggle bonus. Bindable. So there is two things to code with this. I have to find both of them. I know where the server is. It's in communicator. It's right... I think I'm actually in it right now. No, I wasn't. I'm almost there. There it is. Let's see. So it runs back search event. This is the code for the search. This is really old. It's one of the only things I haven't recoded, and it definitely needs it. And now I gotta do this. So under toggle button, we do new event. We'll do like send search. No, not send search. Send bonus type. all this stuff just to send this event. I forgot the name, that's why I'm doing that. And then it'll be kept, you know, it will know everything inside of here. This is just to toggle it. Just a quick setup. That's it. That's all I need for this stuff. Now I just need to add it into here, all the setup. What I think I'm also gonna do, just keep it more simple, and I'll have a module for this, honestly. And each value, so all I gotta do now is check the next one. So it search this and it sees that it's 5 score. That way I don't have to do any extra hard coding, it's just there. I'll do all the bonuses now actually, so it's just done. I'll make a breakpoint right here though. I was checking this, make sure it's safe. It is. That's the debounce, so you can't lag the server. That's my breakpoint to go back to that later. Now I have to find the thing again. So 2 is also 5. Is that going to save the chance of it happening? Because that's more on you to figure out. But the score amount, yeah, it should be mentioned. Obviously, it's kind of the whole point, so. So perm 1 and then 2, it goes 5 and 10. What should I call it? Those are the original bonuses. Now I do the benefits. I believe it's, I actually don't remember, so let's see. 20. They have names though. So I kind of want to get the name. I think the first one is mind, and then is heart, and then I low-key forgot. Where's my quest dialogue? Oh yeah, you just get corruption, that's what it is. I'll just call what is in the code. Called mind bonus, yeah. I just called them all mind bonus. $20, $10, $35. Now melody. 15, I think. Wait, 20, 10, 35. 20, 10, 35. And the melody is 15. What is the thing called? It's called melody bonus. Melody bonus. Okay. This is a tiny module, but I'd rather having it here than like some random place in here. It'd just be messy, so I try to make better code nowadays, so safer way. Local bonus. What did I call here? Oh. Alright, we'll leave that like that there. Oh wait, has to be required. I always forget to do that, like, it's just weird. I don't really know why you have to do that. Like, I can't imagine referring to a module without wanting to require it. I don't know. It's definitely some technical thing I don't understand. Okay, I can make all these now. I'll probably have to make them smaller, but it's really easy to, so I'm not concerned. Next one will be... Where is it? Oh, there it is. They gotta be exactly the same, so... Oh yeah, that's right. I also gotta do the order system. Layout order 0, layout order 1. Where's the text? What did I call it over here? What did I call it? Extra score chance, extra score bonus. It's confusing. I'll just do this. So this is 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's just easier to work with. Yeah, they definitely have to be smaller, clearly. The 4 diamond ones are almost enough to fill the whole thing. And there's still 4 more, so... Yeah. They gotta be like half the size. What is the order I did it in? Oh, melody. I think that was 15. Yeah. I'm gonna also make this a different color. The special ones. I feel like it's more of a white, but white looks too similar to the one. I'll just do like a pink. Yeah. And bonus 1. Text. We're gonna call it. I could do like this maybe. Yeah, that works. Of course, get that green in. Also make the last one a little bit more pink. Ch 2010 35. Twenty-ten 35. I always gotta check in case. Yeah, I don't want to make any mistakes. There's 8. Corrupt. That's everything. Small problem. I'll make it bigger then, because yeah, there's not enough room. It's gonna be like... This is the perfect size, but yeah, not enough room. We'll do this instead. I don't like the padding. There we go. All the bonuses. And now I gotta... I'm realizing the check mark. I have to send data... Well, no, I don't. I am reading chat. Unless it's glitched, I don't know. I'm thinking the smartest way to do this. Yeah, I know what to do. I gotta edit the code though. Parent dot. Now I have to copy the script to all of them instead. Five, 6, 8. Oh, great faces. Oh, I don't know about that. We'll have to see. I don't like adding game passes really. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. What? Sorry? Oh, yeah. My game just crashed. What happened? What? Oh! Oops. That's such an easy way. Like, I was about to do the lazy way, but now all I gotta do is edit this. Nothing else. Perfect. We love optimized code. Next thing I gotta do is this. Okay. Okay, do I have access to, like... I'm trying to figure out the hierarchy. I don't know what I'm in right now. So this is the script. I'm gonna say... Oh wait, no, I do have it ready, right there. Never mind, alright. Alright, this should simply toggle it, but I also want to add the color. Oh yeah, it's just white. This music is terrible. Not the one you're listening to, but what I'm listening to. I don't get it. Where is it? No. This is good. Perfect. You can't hear my sound, but it's fine. Oh. Image lag, but it works. Trying to figure out if it's bugging or not. No, Why does it do that? Yeah, something's wrong. I don't know why though, like how could it work only sometimes when it's so like specific? You should error if it does that. I feel like it's not what I think it is, or anything reasonable at least. Oh, it is. Never mind. I forgot to change the number. That is why. Mistakes have been made. I thought I was missing something at one point. I guess that's what it was. Now there should be no delay. Besides turning black. Oh yeah, it's smooth. Because the score is gonna fluctuate, we'll do this, right? So calculate score, and then instead of doing this, we'll have a function. So we'll have a function called update score. So you send the current score. And that is 0 score. If it's not bugged, I forgot to close it, didn't I? So yeah, it's current score. We send a current score. Now I have a for loop. So it's the same thing actually as before. Whatever that is. Oh, right there actually. Well, no, it's not. If value equals 1, then we will do this. We will do score amount plus equals, and then you just get I'm trying to think. Plus equals this. And instead of doing that, we'll do dot key. And this gets the value. And the value is right next to the number, so that's it. And after all that goes through, we do whatever this is. No. There we go. That should be it, actually. I think it is. I guess we will see. So we'll do like a, just on default. That is not what I wanted. It's not displaying it. I think. Oh, because I also, oh, that's right. I gotta update the score in real time as well. I forgot about that whole part. I was wondering when I was gonna come back. I guess now it is. I'm gonna say base score equals this. Base score equals 0. Then we can do move this further up. Actually, I'll move this further down. update score, and it's whatever current score there is, so base score. I think this works. If not, that's sad, because I have to really think then. I do think it does work. Did I update the score as well? I did. Okay. This should all work. I'm kind of expecting that already. Let's add a level. We can also turn all of them on. Look at that. A base score. Okay, the bonus goes up to 105. That's a legendary if you're lucky enough. But it's like almost physically impossible, I feel like, for that to happen. But hey, it's possible. Let's add a base level now. Let's do like, yeah, memory leak full. It's a rare. I don't know why it's a rare. I guess at the time when I rolled this was... Why is that a rare? I don't think it's a rare. How is this a rare? I mean, invalid ID gets 105 score. Oh yeah, obviously that wouldn't work. Is it the ID? No, it can't be the ID. It really is just 125, I think. Or 30. No, I think something's wrong. 35, let's go back. No way that level is... I know it was 35 though. No, I think it actually is 35 score, but why would it be 35? I guess I could have tested it like really easily, but I think I'm just curious now. Because the stats are the same here, unless I change some inner data. Oh, like I did recently. It really is 35, I think. I can test though. All I gotta do is just disable score buffs as well, but I'm going to print the base score. Not base. I'll print the current score. This is legit, so this is a terrible song. Where'd the error go? I used to have an error that always popped up. If I press tab, it does, I think. I think Roblox fixed it then. No way Roblox fixed it. It only took them 10 years. It was literally there for like half a year, by the way. It was a bug that was about the leaderboard thing. I never changed anything. It's stupid. It really is 35 score. That's crazy. I guess I can test it myself as well. I love that feature. Okay. I guess this will also tell me what the score is from. Score from likes is 25. Downloads 10. Why was the original one so much worse? Why was it uncommon? Did I buff it? I guess I buffed the defaults. Let's see. The download 667. That is, let's see, 10 score. That's correct. The likes. I guess I didn't notice that. It has 150 likes exactly. So even if, okay, but hold on, I gotta see this. I'm gonna check stream and see what it was before, because I swear it was 150, but it probably wasn't. One more like would change that. Okay, let me go back. No, it was literally 667, 150 likes. So why was it? Is that new? I think I added that recently. I do think that's new then. Newer. I don't remember adding it, but clearly it was though, because it has, wait, 20 less score. Oh, it's still there. Why didn't it refresh? This one's more score. I guess it gets auto-deleted because it's worse. I didn't think about that. But yeah, you can see it in person, like... I guess it just wasn't a thing at the time. I got distracted. All that matters is that it does work. Let me choose a better level to test it on. That one's confusing. I should delete this real quick. To delete it, or is my script? There it is. I just want to screw around a little bit with it. It seems like 115 is the max score. So let's see. Now wait a second. I'm realizing one small mistake. I don't know why I didn't think about this. It's not going to be accurate because if the score of 105 brings it from a common to a legendary, it's not going to say that. Like, when I do this, it's still a common. And I do, like, this. It's still a common. Not common, it's still rare. And that obviously is not a rare. Like, this is a legendary. Or a mythic. I think mythic's 250 though. But that's a legendary. So I think I'll just have a rarity updater. So it updates when you first load in, but also I can just copy this. So rarity.text and then rarity.text color 3. Mm. This is the meta. This is the meta. This is the meta. So yeah, on default, this I think works. So it'll ignore the score amount, but it'll still add it. What doesn't ignore it? So what I did was the default, when I clicked on it, it ran this. Which ran this. Update score. Oh, this has to be first. Alright. Yeah, so it'll still go up the score, but it'll say invalid. The second you change it to something else, like ID's 1, gets added. And if you can boost the level up, I think it will change the rarity. So let's see. Let's add Booger. So you can push it up. Oh, you can. Look at that. It's uncommon now. Let's push it to a rare. To a legendary. You can push Booger to a legendary if you're lucky enough. What about congregation? Probably not. That can become a better level. Oh, it's already 500 now. The light buff is why, I guess. This can be exactly buffed up, unless I get more score because of default bonuses, but I mean changes. Yeah, I can buff this up. Wait, no, I can't. It went down the score, I think. So close, so close. Not enough though. What about like these aren't even close to Unreals. I probably should be sorting top to bottom. That one could be Infinite Burian. Yeah, just with a couple bonuses. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. Well, a couple, almost all the bonuses, but still, it can be Infinite Burian. It's possible. That's interesting. I do like this. It works perfectly well. Very simple feature to add. That was the first thing I wanted to do today on this game. Let me change the version as well. I guess I can look at my list. I'm gonna delete that one. Voice completion sound is kind of hard. Auto list input is like, it's not that bad. It's annoying though. I have to find the hierarchy on so much random stuff. Benefits of VIP board, that's easy as shit. I'll probably do that next. The insta gamble, that's a pain. I'll probably not make it the diamond shop and make it something else. That's actually the hardest one, because I have to recode every single gamble machine. I don't think I'm going to do that for a bit. Yeah, I'm going to take a break on that one. There's got to be more like suggestions, so... I'll do the board, I guess, now. I did the second easiest one. This is probably the easiest. Okay, let's do it. God damn it, there's not enough room. I gotta make room now, are we serious? I should also fix the display order on this. I guess I can. I don't know what is this called though. What is this under? There. So it's a grid. Well, I can make a smaller grid, good. Forgot I could do that. Sadly, I have to make the order still. Alright, goodbye, goodbye. You too, though. Orbs should be 3. Five for common. For infinite period. Is it in order? Let's see. Score rolls, orbs, diamonds. Common, uncommon, rare, epic, legendary, mythic, godlikes, unreals, infinite Empyreans. Holy shit, look at that. Singularities, GMGs. I made the grid a little bit bigger, I think. It's so hard to read this, but it's fine. Next thing. What should I do next, actually? Let's make it the benefits. Let's do the benefits. That is perm score 1. Actually, chance score 1 should be first. $20 is going to be melody bonus. People have to understand how this works, so the 0 for this will change to the percent chance, because it'll go up by 0.25, so it ends up being 6.25. That's the chance of getting it. These ones are different. There's going to be 3 of these. It's either 0 or 1, because there's no chance. The chance is already hard-coded. Holy fucking flex H flare. Okay. Look at that. Okay, so the next thing, the color can stay pink. Actually, I should probably change it. I'm realizing. Nah, too much work. Okay, my bonus 3 is the order of 22. Some of this stuff I feel like does not matter. Like, I guess the upgrades are okay though. Especially the playtime is the most interesting thing. Cause is this even all the upgrades in this place? VIP lounge, inventory, the score bonuses. Strategy cooldown. Is that all of them? There's a cooldown. There's a bonus, inventory. And okay, well there is all of them, but still, whatever. It's like no colors left. Holy, red is the last one. The backgrounds will be red. I guess orange works. Yeah. I feel like upgrade should also be orange. I don't know why it isn't. I don't understand that. I know why, but no one's gonna understand that, so I'm not doing that. I'll make it orange. It technically doesn't make any sense, but you know, I don't really care. It makes way more sense to be like this. Where's mind bonus 3? That order is 22. $24 for the shop. $25 very to put in. 26 extra inventory. $27 VIP. I would say gamble row 28. 29 gamble roll. 30 for playtime. There we go. I don't know why the ordering is so weird, but I don't really care. It's just base stats anyways. No one really cares. You only care if you want to see it. And now I can actually add it. It's pretty easy. It's really just changing some numbers, like literally. I don't know why value is even mentioned. You don't need to add the word value. But I guess I'll keep it to be consistent. I need to change this code later, but yeah, that's a whole different thing. That should be it. I do feel like things are missing though. Like all the songs aren't listed there, which I guess is kind of stupid. Melody bonus is not a valid member of. Oh. I kind of forgot. See, I did. Alright, alright. I see, I see. I was wondering. Okay, so yeah, that's right. Where's okay? So I did 2 melody quests and no memory leak. I mean, I know it works though because it displays it. So all right, what's next? I don't know. This song is terrible. Hold on. Is his name there? Memory leak. I don't like that. I'm fixing that. Six, 8. Six, 8, 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8, 4. Six, 8, 4. Six. This is the 8. Just a small fix. I didn't really like how it looked. Kind of crammed weirdly. This music, it keeps playing these awful songs, bro. Oh, is this a playlist? I think it is. I don't know. I guess we'll see. Anyways, that's 3 things done. More like 2 though. I'll probably do the auto list thing, I guess. It's just kind of annoying, but I'll do it. I want to eat first though, I think. Okay. Yeah. The quest thing I also kind of want to get done, the notification, but yeah. You know. I'll be AFK then.